Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a newborn beanie just like this. Simple design. And today what I'm going to use is the H hook 5.0 millimeter. And then today I'm going to use the I Love This yarn, super soft yarn in Rosy Cheeks. Alright, let's begin. I'm going to go ahead and start out with this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and chain 4. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and slip stitch into the first stitch to form a ring. Okay, here's our ring. Okay, go ahead and chain 2. And this chain 2 right here will not count as a double crochet. We're going to make 12 double crochets into the ring. So go ahead and yarn over, put the hook through the middle of the ring, do your first double crochet. Okay, there's 1. 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and pause this video right now and continue making your 12 double crochets into the circle, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, I have 11 double crochets so far. I'm going to do my last one. Okay, I have 12 double crochets in here. I'm going to go ahead and close this round out by slip stitching into the first V right here in the first chain that we made. First 2 chains. And that's how you slip stitch to form a circle. And if you want, go ahead and tighten the circle by pulling on this, yarn in the back. There you go, that's the first round. Okay, second round, what we're going to do is chain 2 again, and like now and from here on out we don't count the first 2 chains as a double crochet. What we're going to do for the second round is to do 2 double crochets in each loop all around, so that means we will have a total of 24 double crochets around this ring. Go ahead and insert out here. So do 2 double crochets in the same loop as the joining. Okay, so here's the first 2 chains that we made, and then the 2 double crochets. Go ahead and go to the next loop and do 2 more double crochets. Okay, if you want, go ahead and pause this video and do your 24 double crochets all around, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, I am at my very last stitch here. I have 22 double crochets already. Doing my last 2 double crochets to this last stitch. Okay, that's 24 double crochets. Go ahead and finish off this round by slip stitching into the top of that chain. And there you go, that's end of round 2. Alright, let's start with round 3 by chaining 2. Okay, and in this round what we're going to do is we're going to do 1 double crochet in the same joining stitch. That will count as 1 double crochet. And then we're gonna do two more double crochets in the next stitch. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna alternate. We're gonna do one double crochet in one stitch, two double crochet in the next, and then one in the next, and then we're gonna repeat that around. So this next stitch we're gonna do two double crochets. I need more yarn. Okay, so one and then two double crochet, and then the next stitch we're going to do one double crochet, and we're going to repeat this pattern all the way around. This will equal to about 36 double crochets altogether. Okay, next stitch is two double crochets. Okay, next stitch is one. Go ahead and repeat this, put me on pause, and finish your round, and meet me back here. Okay, I'm on my very last stitch, and I'm going to go ahead and do two double crochets in my last stitch of round 3. Okay. And to finish it off, we'll slip stitch into the top of the first joining stitch here to form that. Alright, very simple so far. Go ahead and chain 2 for round 4. And in this round, we're going to do one double crochet in the same loop as the joining stitch. Okay. Alright, and in the next two we're going to do single double crochets in here. So we're going to do one double crochet, okay, and then one more double crochet in the next stitch. And then in the fourth stitch what we're going to do is we're going to do two double crochets. So on round 4 we're basically going to do this pattern where we'll do 3 single crochets, 2 double crochets, 3 single crochets, and then 2 double crochets. This is going to be what we're going to do now. So after my 2 double crochets, I'm going to go ahead and do my 3 in each stitch, each loop I mean. 1, 2, 3. My fourth stitch after that is going to be my 2 double crochets. Okay, go ahead and repeat this pattern and meet me at the end. Okay, on round 4 I'm at the very last stitch. I'm going to do my last 2 double crochets to finish this round off. Okay, go ahead and slip stitch into the top of that chain. Alright, and we have completed our round 4. And so the next round is going to be super simple. This is round 5. We're going to do 1 double crochet in each individual loop. Okay, and you're going to start out by doing the first double crochet into the same as the joining stitch here. Okay, and then double crochet all the way around. So basically after round 5 you can do as many extra rounds to make your hat complete, and it's going to be the same pattern all the way around. So it's going to be one double crochet in each loop, and then just go ahead and do as many rounds as possible. You can go ahead and pause this and I'll show you how to finish the hat. Okay, I just did a total of 10 rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Basically from row 5 I repeated row 5 4 more times. So now I'm going to show you how to finish this hat off. The very last row we're basically going to just do run 1 single crochet in each loop. So I'll go ahead and chain 1, and in the same joining stitch right here, go ahead and do your first single crochet, and then single crochet into the next loop. Okay, very simple design. This is just going to make that bottom layer more stable with a single crochet stitch. Okay, go ahead and do your single crochets all around, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, I'm about to make my last single crochet into this very last row. Okay, and to go ahead and finish this off, go ahead and slip stitch into the first loop here with the beginning chain. And there you go, there's your hat. I'm gonna pull up a little bit and go ahead and cut off your yarn and tighten this. Go ahead and put your end through the loop and pull. That should secure it. And there is your hat. Awesome. So now what I'm gonna do is just basically sew in you know, the ends just to hide them. Okay, so all you do is just put your needle through and just work it through the hat. Basically we're just hiding the tails right now. You can do it however way you want. I just like to put it through a few of these loops. Enough. Do a few knots here just to secure them. Okay, go ahead and cut the extra yarn. Okay, the only other thing that you need to sew in is this very beginning yarn here when we first started our circle.